Well, hello. Looks like today we're going to be messing with this TV again. So this is part 2. The goal today is to get to the LED portion. I can't plug it in. I don't have a power cord. I took it for another TV so I can play with it, but I'll get one next time. But for today, I just want to get to the back of that screen and see if I can see a problem. I feel like there's probably some LEDs that are burnt out, or maybe just one that's causing the whole row to go out. The problem is on this side of the screen, as you're looking at it on your left, there's a bar of missing pixels. So let's see what I can find. Alright, so that one was the easy part. So I see some tabs. There's a lot of them all the way around. And it looks like if I release those tabs, kind of like I did the back, I should be able to pop it off, except the bottom will come out. So let me see what I can do about that. So it looks like you don't have to push the tabs, they'll unlock by pushing them out. So I'm just working my way all the way around. Okay, so they don't come straight up, they go out a little bit, depending on what edge you're at. So lift up and out, and the tab will release. So you can see the back side. There isn't much to look at, but there is a place where the sensor plugs in, and this is the sensor cord. So that's your LED for changing the channels. All right, so now what's the next step? All right, so this panel is, I think, made of glass. Yeah, it is. And it appears to be taped in. Well, it's not taped in, but there is tape. I may have missed a step, or I haven't done that step yet. Ironically, I may have to YouTube this in order to make a YouTube video about how to do it. I thought I knew what to do, but it looks like this screen is attached just on the bottom by some ribbons, which I assume are light controls. I can still get to the backlight. This might be as far as I can go at the moment, but I should show you what I'm looking at least. Well, you know, I can see some damage to this screen. You can't see it until you put some light behind it. But there's a big crack or scratch in like a half moon shape right here. But that doesn't correspond with where the problem was. Well, maybe it does, because this is the back of the TV in the bottom now. So the problem would have been right here. Well, there's huge cracks in the back of this, here and here. I believe this is the backlight. Of course, I don't really know for sure. You know, I think what I need to do is plug it in. Then it'll be obvious which part is the backlight, which part is the LED screen, how anything works at all. I mean, for all I know, there may not be a backlight for an LED. Maybe that was just an LCD thing. But I'm learning as I go, and we'll all learn together. So why don't you guys stay tuned for number 3? Maybe I'll know what I'm doing by then.